Hi guys, how can you create a wet glass effect in Photoshop like this? First, open your main image. Now go to File, Place Embedded, and insert a wet glass image. Resize it to cover the entire canvas, then press Enter. Go to the blending mode and select hard light. Adjust the opacity for a balanced effect. Then go blending option. Now adjust left side point on 114 and press OK. And hold Alt to separate. Now adjust the opacity around 58 or as you like. This is before and this is after. And that's how you can create a wet glass effect in Photoshop.